Easy motherfucking money. Don't kill her. It's almost back on y'all ass. Just like that. You know, I've been working myself. You know, so I'm dirty as hell. Check the dust, you know what I'm saying? Dirty as hell. I've been working. Fuck all that. Don't kill us almost back together, man. We ain't got no more rip parts on the car no more. Everything's been fixed, straightened. Come on, let's walk around this motherfucker. Yeah, I got my exhaust in my hand, but that's how I'm feeling. Look at the front. Look at the front. Smile. The front is smiling again. A lot of the black look like, come on, man, stop playing. Stop playing, man. Look at my bitch, man. My bitch is back. My bitch is back. Ooh, hey, man. Hey, man, shout out to all the sponsors, though. You know what I'm saying? Y'all name about to be all over this motherfucker. Stay tuned for the new scheme for Don't Kill Us. 4.0, 5.0, 6.0, I don't even know. Stay tuned for this shit, man. Easy motherfucking money.